The story of the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 begins not with a thunderous roar, but with a smooth, understated pulse, one that speaks to a generation of riders who seek simplicity, reliability, and old-school charm in a world that's rushing toward digital chaos. At Bike Culture Hub, we're always chasing machines that strike a perfect balance between character and capability, and the Bolt 250 is one of those rare finds that immediately feels like it belongs in your garage, even before you thumb the starter. This bike doesn't shout. It doesn't overwhelm with specs or chase trends. Instead, it carves its own path through the cruiser world with a low-slung silhouette, a stripped-back design, and an engine that's both approachable and surprisingly satisfying. And for 2025, Yamaha's subtle refinements have made this entry-level cruiser even more appealing to both beginners and seasoned riders looking for a low-maintenance, retro-cool machine. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Bolt 250, there's something unmistakably Yamaha about it. It channels the spirit of its larger siblings, the Bolt 950 and the 15 line, but in a more compact, city-friendly form. It's the kind of bike that wouldn't look out of place parked outside a cafe or rolling down the coast on a sunset ride. The proportions are lean yet muscular, with a long wheelbase and a low, scooped seat that instantly invites you to hop on. Matte color options dominate the palette this year: matte gray, black, and a stealthy deep blue, all paired with blacked-out engine components and subtle chrome accents. The overall aesthetic screams urban outlaw more than beginner bike, which is exactly the point. It's built for those who want to ride something that looks like it came straight out of a custom garage, without having to spend extra to modify it. Under the tank, the Bolt 250 packs a single-cylinder, air-cooled, 249 cubic centimeters engine. Fuel injected for consistency and smooth power delivery. It's not here to win drag races, but what it lacks in brute force, it makes up for in usability. With around 20 horsepower on tap and just under 20 Nm of torque, the Bolt 250 feels peppy off the line, especially with its low-end torque curve. City riding is where it shines. You don't have to wrestle the throttle to get moving, and it maintains a responsive, predictable feel in low to mid-range revs. The engine hums rather than snarls, giving off a mellow exhaust note that adds to the laid-back cruising vibe. For freeway stints, it can hold 100 to 110 km per hour comfortably, though this is where you're reminded it's a quarter-liter bike. Wind resistance and high-speed overtakes will demand a bit more patience. But if you stay within its intended rhythm, the Bolt 250 rewards you with one of the smoothest rides in its class. One of the more underrated aspects of the Bolt 250 is its transmission. The 5-speed gearbox is crisp, easy to operate, and perfectly matched to the engine's output. Gear changes are intuitive and smooth, and clutch pull is light, ideal for riders new to motorcycling or for those commuting daily through traffic. What's also impressive is Yamaha's refinement on this small displacement platform. There's minimal vibration, good thermal management thanks to the air-cooled design, and excellent fuel efficiency. We're talking upwards of 35 to 40 km/L, depending on riding habits and conditions. That gives the Bolt a real-world range of over 350 km on a full tank, which holds 11.2 liters. Whether you're a student riding to class or a city worker weaving through rush hour, the Bolt's practicality becomes apparent quickly. Ergonomically, Yamaha absolutely nailed it. The low 690mm seat height makes it one of the most accessible cruisers on the market today. Even shorter riders can flat-foot it at a stop, and that confidence is a big deal, especially for newer riders. The handlebar is wide and slightly pulled back, giving you an open, relaxed posture without putting pressure on your wrists or shoulders. Foot pegs are mid-mounted but positioned just enough forward to support the cruiser aesthetic and comfort on longer rides. The suspension setup is simple but effective: a 41mm telescopic fork up front and dual shocks at the rear, both tuned for urban riding and occasional highway trips. The ride quality is soft without being floaty. It absorbs city potholes and uneven roads surprisingly well for a bike in this class, although two-up riding or more aggressive cornering will start to reveal its budget-focused limitations. Stopping power is handled by a front disc and a rear drum, with single-channel ABS standard in many markets. While not groundbreaking, the braking system is adequate for the bike's weight and power. The front disc has a nice initial bite and progressive feel, and the rear drum does its job without drama. Together, they inspire enough confidence to ride assertively in urban environments. What really sets the Bolt apart, however, is how planted it feels. The long wheelbase, measuring 1,570 mm, combined with a 16-inch front and 15-inch rear wheel wrapped in thick rubber, gives it cruiser stability even at low speeds. The wide tires add to the sense of control, especially in wet or uneven surfaces. It's not a corner carver, but it leans in willingly and holds a line well, thanks to its low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution. Instrumentation is a single round digital pod that sits just off-center above the headlight. It's minimalist, but it provides all the essentials: speed, fuel gauge, odometer, trip meter, and a gear position indicator. No fancy TFT or Bluetooth here, but again, the Bolt 250 isn't trying to be something it's not. It's old school in all the right ways. Even the switchgear and handlebar controls feel analog and tactile, another nod to Yamaha's design philosophy on this machine. The round halogen headlamp is flanked by basic bullet-style indicators, and while LED lighting would have been a nice touch, the retro vibe of the Bolt is better suited to this more classic lighting setup. If you really want LEDs, there's a healthy aftermarket scene waiting for you to make it your own. Speaking of customization, that's one of the Bolt's biggest selling points. Yamaha has intentionally kept the design modular and easy to modify. The rear fender can be swapped out for bobber-style kits, the handlebars can be replaced with drag bars or ape hangers, and there's already a thriving aftermarket for seats, exhausts, and aesthetic accessories. Whether you're into blacked-out builds, cafe racer tweaks, or full-on scrambler conversions, the Bolt 250 gives you a blank canvas to work from. It's as much about personal expression as it is about riding, and Yamaha knows that's part of the appeal for younger riders today. In terms of pricing, Yamaha has hit the sweet spot. In most markets, the 2025 Bolt 250 comes in around $4,200, or approximately 3.65 Indian rupees lakhs in India, ex-showroom. That places it well within reach of its target audience, new riders, urban commuters, and cruiser enthusiasts on a budget. When you factor in Yamaha's legendary reliability, the cost of ownership is impressively low. But beyond numbers and features, what really makes the Bolt 250 shine is the emotional connection it fosters with its rider. It's a bike that doesn't try to be the fastest, loudest, or flashiest. Instead, it delivers a sense of freedom that's rooted in simplicity and style. There's an authenticity to the ride that's hard to find these days. No rider aids, no distractions, just you, the road, and that thump-thump-thump of the single-cylinder heartbeat beneath you. It reminds us of why we fell in love with motorcycles in the first place. At Bike Culture Hub, we believe a motorcycle should be more than a machine. It should be a companion, a creative outlet, and a passport to adventure. The 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 checks every box. It's simple but soulful. Modest but meaningful. Whether you're just getting your license or looking to downsize to something lighter and more fun, this bike deserves a serious look. And if you ask us, the best stories often start not with the loudest engine, but with the boldest intention, and the Bolt 250 has just enough of both to make your next ride unforgettable. Until next time, keep your visor down, your throttle steady, and your soul ready for the ride. This is Bike Culture Hub, and we'll see you on the road.